Hello, I'm Vishwa Gulati and I welcome you to Flipkart. Today I will be reviewing the Whirlpool 7kg White Magic Elite washing machine. Whirlpool presents the all-new White Magic Elite fully automatic washing machines that combine unmatched functionality with world-class style. It is also available in multiple colors. So now let's move ahead and learn more about its features one by one. This beautiful washing machine has a neat grey finish and a chrome rim on the lid which gives it a plush look. The dimensions of the washing machine are compact and it is neatly designed, thus making the most of the space available inside your house. Here at the top we have a control panel with large buttons for easy reach and a digital display indicating different modes you can function in. The White Magic Elite is powered by Whirlpool's Power Scrub technology. The 3-spring loaded Power Scrub technology creates superior agitation that helps in knocking off tough dirt to give a thorough wash every time. It provides 3 surfaces for clothes to rub against: the drum, the Agipellar and the base, hence providing maximum scrubbing surface to give you the best wash. This washing machine comes equipped with the hard water wash program, which enables the washing machine to adapt for washing in hard water conditions, giving better detergent action and soft, bright clothes. Let's explore this. The next feature is my personal favorite and is the answer to my biggest pain while doing laundry. The ZPF technology equipped in this washing machine fills the tub 50% faster even when the pressure is as low as 0.17 MPa, thus reducing the wash time significantly. Isn't that really cool? The EasyTech technology embedded in this fully automatic washing machine comes with smart diagnostics. It automatically senses the voltage levels, water pressure in the tap, senses the wash load, fabric type and gives the detergent dosage required. It also automatically removes lint by gushing water through the lint filter during wash. Now that's a smart machine. And not just this. With this washing machine, you get a 2-year comprehensive warranty on the product and 10 years warranty on the motor and prime mover. So this was the all-new White Magic Elite washing machine for you. Before buying, do have a look at the product dimensions so that they fit well within the space available at your home. So just go ahead and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart, because here you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me and have a perfect buy.